Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little pearl beaded necklace. It's super easy to make. It looks really great with so many different outfits and it can be taken on and off really easily with this little clasp here. This is what it looks like on. I love it so much, so let's get straight into the video. All you'll need to make this necklace are some pearls, one lobster clasp, two crimp beads, one loop ring, 65 centimeters of nylon cord, some cutting pliers, and just some regular pliers. So let's get started. Okay, so now you're going to take one end of the nylon cord and you're going to thread on one of the crimp beads, just like this. Then you want to take the lobster clasp, thread that on as well, and then with that same end of the cord you want to go back through the crimp bead, just like this. And then what we're doing now is we're securing the lobster clasp. So you want to make sure that the crimp bead is as close to the lobster clasp as you can, and then take your pliers and you just want to squeeze them together. So squeezing the crimp bead so that it keeps the lobster clasp secure, just like that. Then you can just trim off the short end of the cord, just so it doesn't get in the way when you're putting on the pearls. Alright, so this next bit is super easy. We're just going to be putting the pearl beads onto the cord. So I'm just going to be doing this. I might just try and speed it up for you guys because unfortunately I can't put any music over it because I don't want to get copyrighted. So I'm just going to speed it up, and if you guys don't want to watch this part because I'm literally just putting on the pearl beads, you can skip to 2 minutes and 15 seconds and then it'll be the next step. Okay, so you've got all of your pearls on the cord. So I've done mine to 40 centimeters. As you guys can see here, I've just got my ruler. You just measure it up against until you've got 40 centimeters of pearls. And then we can start tying off the necklace. So you're going to take a crimp bead, so your second crimp bead, and then you're going to thread that one on as well as one of the loop rings. And then same thing as you did before, you're going to go back through with that end through the crimp bead. And then this time you're going to take that end and you're going to pull it as tight as you can, and you want to make sure you're pulling it tight when you squeeze the crimp bead so that the necklace isn't loose at all. And as you can see, I've secured the crimp bead. I'm cutting off the excess so that there's no extra pieces of nylon cord sticking out, and that's basically it. So that's our necklace. You can attach it together with the lobster clasp and the loop ring. It's super cute and it goes with a lot of different outfits, as I said before. This is what it looks like on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!